Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can make an extra £1,000 this month. Now, if that's something that interests you, please consider smashing that like button, possibly hitting the subscribe button, and let's get straight to the video. So I'm going to be trying to give you some different income ideas for different types of people, whether you have a job or you're currently unemployed, or you want to make a little bit of extra cash on the side. Maybe you're struggling during this hard time, or maybe you just want the new iPhone. So idea number one is managing other people's social media accounts. So this can be businesses or people that are just super busy who want to grow their social media platforms, and this is something that you can start right now with the skills that you definitely already have, because we all have our own social media accounts. So what you can do is you can offer this service to people who either don't have the time or just don't have the knowledge on how to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go onto Google, or we're going to go around our local area, and we're going to try and find businesses that don't currently have a social media presence. Social media presence can be Instagram pages, Facebook pages, even TikTok accounts now, Pinterest pages, things like that. Even not having a website would also be brilliant. That's a little bit rarer these days, but it's definitely very common for businesses either have no social media presence at all or just have really bad social media presence. So maybe they have an Instagram account but they never post to it, things like that. So what we want to do is we want to find these businesses, and you want to approach them either in person, or probably right now the best thing to do is for you to email them, and you want to offer your services. So what you're going to do is you're going to offer your initial services for totally free. So you're going to set them up a Facebook page, an Instagram page, maybe a Pinterest page, and maybe a TikTok page if that's something they would be interested in. And if they don't have a website and you have the skills, you can also offer this. So the way we can make money through this is once you've set up these platforms, which you and I know is very easy, but it's not easy for someone who has no idea what they're doing. You can offer this setup service for totally free for them, and then what you can say is if they enjoyed the service and they're very satisfied with what you've done, you can offer them a rolling contract where you're going to manage their social media accounts for them. So that's creating content and posting for them and interacting with their customers. This is something that a lot of businesses are actually looking for, but they just don't know where to start. So your best bet is to just fire out as many emails as you possibly can, and trust me, you're going to get some responses. Now you can do this and you can start off very small, your mum and pop stores from around the corner, and then you can grow and grow, and once you build your portfolio, you'll actually become a social media marketing agency. That's something that you can grow into a multi-million-pound business over a couple of years. So give this a go and let me know how it works for you. So another idea for what you can do right now, and this is very much during the current climate that we're in where lots of businesses are closed, and that's actually be a movie extra. I've done this to make a lot of money on the side while I'm trying to do other things. It's something that a lot of people don't know about, but it's something that's very easy to get into. All you have to do is do a quick Google search, and you're going to find loads of extras agencies that you can apply for and you can sign up for. Basically, they're going to start sending you offers for jobs all the time, and you can basically pick and choose where you want to do the work. The payment ranges from about £70 all the way up to about £300, depending on what you're going to do on the day. The best thing about it is you can actually work while you're there. You can read and you can do things like that. It's also really fun. You can meet famous people. You can learn what it's like to be in a film, and you can show your friends that you're in film. And the best thing about this now is that the film industry is actually still open. They're not subject to the same measures as most of your retail stores in the current world climate. So get on Google, search for extras agencies or background artist agencies, sign up. All you'll need is a headshot, which you can take with your phone against a nice white background. You're good to go. So my third idea for a business that you can do right now is open yourself up a Fiverr account and become a seller. Now, if you already have some skills, we're talking maybe drawing, maybe web development, social media managing, things like that, you can then make listings within Fiverr, and you can charge anywhere between £5 up to a couple of £1,000. But obviously I'd advise that you start low and you build yourself up. Once you've built up your portfolio, you can then start charging more money. I've seen people making thousands and thousands a month just doing this. Some of these skills are super easily learned. You can simply post things that you find easy. Maybe it's a little bit of Photoshop editing, maybe it's logo design, maybe it's drawing. You want to cast out your net and see what people will come back and what people like. And now don't worry, if you have no skills when it comes to this sort of thing, what we can do is we can do a thing called drop servicing. Now this is a fairly new concept, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to find other freelancers who are going to do the work for us, and we're going to basically find the client. We're going to find the clients through Fiverr by posting listings. I'll design a logo for your company, let's say, and then you're going to go on a website called Upwork, and you're going to find freelancers who will create a logo, and you'll pay them per hour. And then you're going to create a listing on Upwork with that exact job in mind. I'm looking for a logo designer, and then you're going to sift through all the people that apply for your job, and you're going to find the perfect one that fits your kind of style, and then you're going to start promoting the service on Fiverr, and then you're going to go to Upwork and you're going to get them to do the work, and then you're going to charge slightly more on Fiverr, and that's where you make your money. So the fourth and final job that I suggest that you can start right now, and you can start this from home, is drop shipping. Now, I'm sure you've heard about drop shipping. If you haven't, it's basically where you find products from international suppliers and you sell them, you know, in your home country. Let's say it's England for us. You find a supplier in China and they basically ship the product directly to your customer when you sell it. You sell your products on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, where you basically push out ads for your product that you found and you've branded it yourself. You create your own website on platforms like Shopify, and you basically brand a product that you found from a supplier. And then basically once you make a sale in the UK, that gets forwarded straight onto your supplier, and then they send that directly to your customers, which means you don't actually hold any inventory. It means you don't have to pay VAT, and it's a very simple business that you can scale quite fast. It's a very good way for you to start an e-commerce business and understand the world of business and get your head around all the different aspects that you have to learn to actually manage and direct your own business. One of the best ways to find products for you to sell is simply just scrolling through your Facebook feed and then finding a product that you actually like that's being advertised. Go on the website, see how you can make it better, create your own website on Shopify, start advertising that on Facebook or Instagram, and that's pretty much it. That's the whole basis of dropshipping. And I guarantee with a little bit of research and a little bit of time and patience, you'll be able to achieve that goal within a few months, even a few weeks. So just a quick idea on the side, something that I do and something that I love to do. It's kind of my passion, which is buying and selling Instagram accounts. Now you might be thinking, wait, you can buy Instagram accounts? But yeah, I've made a whole video about it here. So if you'd like to check that out, please do. And basically what I suggest for any of these is you need to find something that you're passionate about, and you need to find a business or a way of making money in the realm of something that you're passionate about, because then it's not even your job anymore. It's something fun that you can do that can also make you money. So right now, consider writing down all the things that you really enjoy doing and see if you can figure out a way to make money on them. Now, for example, I've always loved social media and growing social media accounts. That's like a passion of mine. What you can do is offer your services, like I said earlier, with the social media marketing agency. Or maybe you like to make cakes. You can then make an account on Instagram, and you can make an account on TikTok, and you can show off your cake baking skills, and then you can sell directly to the consumers and the customers that follow your account. So give that a think, write down your passions and see if there's something that you can create around that so your job becomes your hobby. Anyway, that's it from this video. It was a very quick one. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did get a little bit of value out of it, please consider smashing that subscribe button, hitting that like button, and if you did, I'll see you in the next video.